Hello, my dear students, senior one. Now we're gonna tackle some grammatical rules in these sessions. The first grammatical rule, which is the present perfect. Okay, first of all, we're gonna just make quick revision on this tense. Okay, if I said, for example, what is the form of the present perfect? Okay, the form of it, which is have, or, has, plus PP, the past participle of the tense. Yani for example, if I said I have eaten fish, I have eaten fish, or I have already eaten fish. Okay. Okay, if I said I have already eaten fish, here you have the word already, and before already you're gonna put have or has, and after it you're gonna use PP, which is eaten. So the form of the present perfect, which is have or has plus PP. Right, what are the key words of this tense, which is very important? Number one, the word already. Okay, this is the first word. The second word, which is just. Yet, for, since. Okay. Okay. These are the most important keywords of the present perfect tense. You have already, just, yet, for, since. Okay. Yet, and so on. Okay, let's now answer some questions. The first one, when I say the injured woman takes or has taken or will take or has been taken to hospital, in this sentence you have started or we have started with the injured woman, which is the object of the sentence. It's not the subject. So the answer here will be has been taken. Why has been taken? Because it is passive. This sentence is passive, it's not active. So you're gonna start with has been, or you're gonna choose has been taken. Okay, the second sentence, when I say I dots reading novels since I was a young man. Here in this sentence you have the word since. And when you have the word since, before since, you're going to use the present perfect, which is have or has plus PP, and after it you're going to use past simple. So the answer here will be have enjoyed. I have enjoyed reading novels since I was a young man. So before since, you're going to use the present perfect, which is have or has plus PP. Number three, I dots my own computer for 3 years. The same sentence here in that sentence, you have the word for. So you have to use before for, you have to use have or has plus PP. So you're going to use have had. I have had my own computer for 3 years. Okay, so in the first one it was passive, and the second one you have the word since. So before since you're going to use present perfect, have or has plus PP, and the third sentence the same thing, you're going to use the present perfect because of the word for. Number four, all the students in my class are passed, are passing, were passing, have passed the exam already. In that sentence you have the word already. So it's at the end of the sentence. So you have to use the present perfect, which is have passed. يبقى all the students in my class have passed the exam already. Number five, she dots the piano since the age of 6 and she still plays every day. Okay, when you have she still plays every day, so it's not present perfect, it's a present perfect continuous, which is have or has plus been plus verb plus ing, which means that sentence that had started or that started from the past and is still happening up till now. يبقى in that sentence you're going to use the present perfect continuous, which is has been playing. When I say she has been playing, which means that she started in the past and she is still playing the piano up till now. يبقى she has been playing the piano since the age of 6 and she still plays it. Okay. The following one, number 6, how long, and of course when you have the word how long, okay, you are asking about the period of time. How long does Mr. Ahmed? And the answer, we have used the word for in the answer. So how long يبقى have you known. How long have you known? How long have you known Mr. Ahmed? For the answer will be for 10 years. Okay, number 7, she does the prize yet. Here you have the word yet, and yet comes at the end of the negative sentence, and we have to use haven't or hasn't plus PP plus past participle. So in that sentence we're going to use yes, she hasn't received. Okay, she hasn't received the prize yet. يبقى she hasn't received the prize yet. Number 8, my phone does very well since I dropped it last week. Again, in that sentence you have the word since. يبقى before since you have to use have or has plus PP. يبقى my phone hasn't worked. Okay, my phone hasn't worked well or very well since I dropped it last week. Okay, number 9, I am sorry, I got really busy recently. In that sentence you have the word recently, and recently comes at the end of the sentence, and we have to use have or has plus PP. يبقى I am sorry, I have been really busy. I have been really busy since recently. Okay, number 10, okay, starting from sentence number 10, we're gonna tackle another grammatical lesson, which is the future. As we know, when we are talking about the future, you have 4 kinds of future. You have will, or am or is or are plus going to plus infinitive, or present continuous, or present simple. Let's see the first one. I am studying medicine. I may be, I am going to be, I am being, I be a doctor. So when I say I am studying medicine, so of course the answer here will be I am going to be. Okay, I am going to be a doctor. Sentence number 11. She does probably do the shopping tomorrow. Here you have the word probably, and the word probably one of the keywords of the word will. So whenever you find probably, maybe, perhaps, it's possible, and so on, you're going to use the word will. But she will probably do the shopping tomorrow. The following sentence, number 12. I expect, and draw a circle around the word expect. I expect that he does the match. Whenever you find the word expect or the word predict, guess, believe, think, and so on, again, one of the keywords, they are the keywords of the word when. If I expect that he will win. Okay, so in that sentence you can delete the word expect. You can say think, guess, believe, predict, expect, whatever. Number 13, perhaps, and again draw a circle around the word perhaps. Perhaps they dots us next Saturday. Okay, whenever you find the word perhaps, as we have said, you're gonna use the word will. Even perhaps they will visit us next Saturday. Okay, the following word or the following example question 14, number 14. Someone is knocking on the door. I dots and open it. Okay, someone is knocking on the door. I, excellent, I will go. Of course, it's quick decision. When you're talking about quick decisions, you're going to use the word will. If someone or somebody is knocking on the door, I will go and open it. Number 15. She does to Spain next Monday. Everything is arranged, and draw a circle around the word arranged. Okay, when you find the word arrange or you find the word prepare, so you have to use the present continuous. She is flying. When I say she is flying, which means that everything is arranged, okay, for this journey or for this trip or for this travel. يبقى she is flying to Spain next Monday. Everything is arranged. يبقى we have chosen the word is flying because of the word arranged. 16. What are your plans? And draw a circle around the word plans. What are your plans for tomorrow? When we have the word plan or decide or intend, which form of the future we're going to use? Will or going to, or the present continuous, or the present simple? Of course we're going to use going to. يبقى what are your plans for tomorrow? I am going to play. Okay, يبقى whenever you find the word plan or decide or intend, you have to use the word going to. Okay, the following one, he is driving at breakneck speed, which means he is driving very fast. He does an accident. Of course, here we have an evidence for something which may happen in the future. So, he is driving at breakneck speed. He is going to have. Excellent. When you expect something and you have an evidence, you have a proof, so you have to use going to. يبقى he is driving at breakneck speed very fast. He is going to have an accident. The following one, watch out, and here draw a circle around the word watch out. Watch out, you dots the glasses. Okay, when you find the word watch out, or be careful, or take care, okay, without these words, without or, you have to use are going to or going to. يبقى watch out, you are going to drop the glasses, something which is about to happen. Okay, يبقى when I say watch out, take careful, look out, and so on, you have to use going to. Watch out, you are going to drop the glasses. Number 19. Will you or are you going to, do you or should you, help, and draw a circle around the word help me with this heavy bag, please. Whenever you find the word help, whatever it's a request or it's an offer, you are requesting help or you are offering a help, you have to use will. يبقى will you help me? Okay, will you help me with this heavy bag? Will you help me do the homework? Or if you are offering a help, you can say I will help you carry this heavy bag. Okay, number 20. Don't worry, I got you the money you need. Again, it's offering help. So when I say don't worry, I will lend. Okay, I will lend you the money you need. It's an offer. You are offering help to someone, so you will use the word will. Number 21. I am going to be, will be, I am being, or I be 25 next Monday. It's a future fact. Okay, whenever you find a future fact, you have to use the word will. But I will be 25 next Monday. My grandfather will be 60 next year, and so on. Number 22. Look at those black clouds. Okay, it dots. It rains, it is raining, it's going to rain, it isn't raining. Here you are predicting something and you have an evidence. Whenever you have an evidence for something and you predict it, you have to use the word or you have to use going to. يبقى it is going to rain. يبقى look at those black clouds, it is going to rain. Number 23, she dots probably, again the word probably, as we have said, probably a great success. She will probably be. Okay, we have said before, whenever you find the word probably, maybe, perhaps, and so on, you have to use the word will. They are the key words of the word will. Number 24, she has decided, and draw a circle around the word decided. She has decided that she does medicine. As we have said, when you find the word decide or intend or plan, you have to use going to. يبقى she has decided that she is going to study. Excellent. طيب. 25. Be careful. Again, be careful without or. Be careful, you dots your coffee. Again, without or, be careful, take care, look out, watch out, and so on. يبقى you're going to use are going to spill. يبقى be careful, you are going to spill your coffee. 26. I can't answer the phone at the moment. I dots the washing up. Okay. So in that sentence, I am doing something and another thing happened at the same time, but I can't do it because I am doing something else. I am in the middle of the action. So I am going to use the present continuous. I can't answer the phone at the moment, and draw a circle around at the moment. Okay, يبقى I am doing the washing up. Okay, 27. I hope, and the draw a circle around the word hope. Hope and wish, the keywords of the word will. I hope you dots me in my home one day. يبقى I hope you will visit. I hope you will visit me in my home one day. Okay, 28. I dots possibly, and draw a circle around the word possibly, like perhaps and maybe. Come, but I may not get back in time. So, whenever you find the word possibly, as we have said, you have to use the word will. يبقى I will possibly come. Okay? I will possibly come, but I may not get back in time. 29. There is not a cloud in the sky. It's dots another warm day tomorrow. Okay? Draw a circle or underline that sentence. There is not a cloud in the sky. Okay? يبقى here you are predicting something, okay, that it's going to be another warm day, and we have an evidence, so you have to use going to, and here of course you have the word is. Okay, يبقى there is not a cloud in the sky, it is going to be another warm day. Okay. So in that lesson or in that session we have tackled the present perfect and future tenses. Next time inshallah we're gonna complete. Thanks a lot.